In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Notifications and Quick Settings. Now you need to scroll again and this time tap on Manage All right next to App Notifications. Now before doing anything, sort your apps by tapping on Recent on the left and selecting one of those options. Sort apps by most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your OnePlus, or apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them. Or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, if you wanna, you can always go back and tap on one of your apps available here. This way you can enable or disable notifications at the top, but also you can manage all of those notifications options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!